Hey fam, it's me, Lisa. How's everybody doing today? It's a beautiful day in the 70s, starting to feel like spring out here. I'm at the park and just wanted to say hi and touch base and tell you about our new software that we're launching this week. The name of the company is Master Creators. My mentor is Vincent Ortega Jr. I've been with him for a couple years now. We used to be part of Sales Vision, which is no more and has been the best of Sales Vision was combined with what we have now, and the brand is Master Creators. And what it is a website builder, but not just a website builder. It is the world's best website builder ever. A lot of you are familiar with ClickFunnels, Groove, Kartra, Convertri. Well, say goodbye to all those. I did. I canceled my ClickFunnels, and I now am a master creator, and I'm using our exclusive all-in-one software. It's a one-stop shop. We like to call it a one-stop dream shop for a business owner or anybody who needs a website or a funnel or a membership program or a store. If you do e-com, our website builder does all those things. It has a built-in email broadcasting system, and we have a generous affiliate program attached to it where it's a 2-level affiliate program, and you earn commissions on every sale, and also 1 level down. So the people that you bring into the program, into the affiliate program, you also earn a commission on their sales. But just to give you a little brief introduction to the software, it is amazing. It's drag and drop technology, so it's easy and intuitive to build your own website, to build funnel pages, to build a membership program, to build out a store. You can sell digital or physical products or both. Let's see, what else did I want to tell you? Yeah, it's quick, it's speedy. I mean, one of the problems with a lot of these website builders, and I know with ClickFunnels, I felt things were really slow. This is so speedy. I mean, I move things around, and I'm not even that techie, but when I'm building a website or a funnel, you can move things around so fast. You can customize it. There's a bunch of templates that you can use, templates for lots of different businesses. It doesn't matter what niche you're in. You can use the software to build any type of website or store, or even if you're a nonprofit. Basically, if you have a product or you have a message you want to get out to the world, then you want to join Master Creators. Or if you do affiliate marketing and you want to make some money just referring people to the software, you can do that too, or you can do both. But check it out. I'll leave a link below. It is incredible, and our founder and president, who is my mentor, Vincent Ortega Jr., he has an excellent reputation. You can Google him. He's been building software and working as a digital marketer in the make money online and work from home niche, however you say it. And he's been doing it for 15 years. He's created a lot of success stories, helped people to become financially free, and his goal and mission is to free 1 billion people during his time left here on earth through our program, to help 1 billion people become financially free. So check it out. Tell me what you think. I'd be interested to know. There's a 14-day free trial, and it's a real free trial. You do not need your credit card. Put your credit card away. No credit card needed. It's not one of those free trials where they hope you're going to forget and your credit card gets charged. You don't need a credit card. It's a real 14-day free trial. You can use the software as much as you want, build a website, market the program as an affiliate. Do what you like for 14 days, and then either it'll expire on day 14, or you can sign up for one of the different packages we have that go from, you know, low cost to higher cost and higher benefits. So check it out, see what you think. I'll be talking more about it in the coming days, but I just wanted to give a little intro. So have a wonderful day, and I'm looking forward to talking to you again. Love you guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you're just stumbling upon it, or if you're already subscribed to my channel, thank you. Please give the video a thumbs up if you got any value from it, and hit the bell so that you get notified when I put out a new video, because I plan to be putting out videos a little more regularly again. When I did the 100-day challenge, I was posting every day, and then I kind of slacked off. I've been busy training, taking courses, and working online, but I'm back, and I'll be putting out lots of value on the channel. In fact, if you have any suggestions for things you'd like me to cover, I mostly talk about, sorry, trying to get the lighting better and catch the sun. I help people to discover their gifts and skills, and monetize their gifts and skills so that they can earn an income doing what they love, get out of the 9-to-5 grind, not work a traditional job. I especially help people who are creatives, as I'm a writer and a photographer and digital artist. So if you're a creative, I'd love to help you. And also people who are not, you know, how can I say it? Like people who are not to the 9-to-5 grind. They're not part of that mold. They don't feel comfortable in the corporate world. They're outliers, or outliers they call them, or, you know, people who are outside of the norm. Like all of us people who just don't want to work for someone else for the rest of our life, who do not want to build someone else's dreams. We want to build our own dreams, make money doing what we love, and serve people, and share our gifts. So if there's anything you want to ask me, or you have a topic you want me to cover, I'll be doing probably not lives, mostly videos. I might do a few lives too, but you know, put some comments down below what you'd like me to talk about. I do iPhone photography, so I plan on doing tutorials for that. And I have a lot of different streams of income. I'll be talking about different ways to earn money online, different types of side hustles. If you want, you know, a part-time side gig, or if you want, you know, something more full-time, I'll be talking about different opportunities, about the creator economy. And yeah, I hope to talk to you soon. Love you guys. Bye.